Okay. In this part of the lesson, we'll be learning how to find the equivalent fraction of a given fraction when you know either the numerator or the denominator. There are two methods you can use. You could either multiply the original fraction by the same number or you divide it by the same number. For example, if you have 3 over 8 is equal to x over 16. This is the type used multiplication. Now you have 3 for the numerator and 8 for the denominator, and for this new fraction you have 16. You ask yourself, what number was multiplied by 8 to give us 16? Multiply. That's 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Since you use 2 to multiply the denominator, you must use the 2 to also multiply the numerator. Now you have 3 for the numerator, so you have 3 times 2, which is 6. So the new fraction now is 6 over 16. I guess that is simple enough. So let's have another example. 1 over 8 is equal to x over 56. What number was multiplied by 8 to give us 56? Try. Was it 5? 8 times 5 is 40. So it's not up to 56. Is it 10? 8 times 10 is 80. That's too much. What about 7? 8 times 7 is 56. Since you multiply the denominator by 7, you should also multiply the numerator by 7. So 8 times 7 give us 56. That means the same 7 should be multiplied up. So we have 7. So 1 over 8 is equal to 7 over 56. Let's have one more example to further understand this concept. We have 7 over 10 is equal to 14 over x. Let's go to the numerator. What number was multiplied to 7 to give us 14? 5. 7 times 5 is 35, so it's more than 14. 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Since you multiply 2 to the numerator, multiply 2 also to the denominator, which is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So the new fraction is 14 over 20. Now, in this other part of this exercise, we're going to learn how to divide in order to find our answer. For example, if you have 24 over 32 is equal to x over 4. 24 over 32 is equal to x over 4. What number was divided by 32 to give us 4? Is it 5? 5 cannot divide 32. 8. 32 divided by 8 will give us 4. So you are going to use the same number to divide the numerator. That's 24 divided by 8. That will give us 3. So the new fraction now is 3 over 4. One more example. We have x over 3 is equal to 10 over 15. Now you have x over 3, 10 over 15. What number was divided by 15 to give us 3? That's 5. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. So you divide the same number to the numerator. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. So the new fraction is 2 over 3. In this lesson, you've learned how to use two methods to find a new fraction, which is you either multiply or you divide. I'll give you some exercises to practice on your own. Check out these numbers. Help us find the numerator or the denominator wherever it is needed. Thank you very much for watching this lesson.